Soulmate, is it hard to find? It could be, but it may be easy too. It's up to you. For you to find out, yes. Okay, soulmate, nasaan siya? Nasa tabi-tabi. You may meet him, her. Habang nasa mall ka, namamasyal. Library sa school. Sa church community mo or anywhere else. Yes, soulmate. Okay, nandyan lang siya, promise, okay. Soulmate, where is he? Where is she? Sa social media nandoon, okay. Sa social media nandoon, okay. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or anywhere else. Yes, okay. True, totoo. Okay. Soulmate, sana mahanap na natin siya. Oo, i-wish mo. 'Cause wishes are meant to be granted. Natutupad, oo, at totoo. Okay, yes, true. Okay, opo. Soulmate, ako at my 30s, I'm still wishing to find my true love. My love. I'm still wishing to find my true love. That soulmate of mine. At alam ko ikaw din hinahanap mo siya. I'd say na go if gusto mo na siya ma-meet. Yes, true, totoo, okay, right. Okay, opo, oo, right. Soulmate, hanapin mo na siya. In places na alam mo na might he'd be there or she'd be there. Okay, yes. Okay, true, okay, yes. Soulmate, hello. Dating apps, okay, yes. Yes, okay, soulmate. Sumali ka sa mga art groups or music groups, might be. Kung saan hobbies mo. Na nandoon siya. Okay, si soulmate. Nasaan ba? Kasi talaga. Dito, doon, here, or there. Okay, true, yes. Totoo, okay, yes. Soulmate, where are you? Okay, soulmate, how to find one? Go to places. Either yung mga napuntahan mo na or hindi pa. Mamasyal. Sa buong Pilipinas, go to Japan. Might be there. Okay, yes, oo, totoo, okay, right, soulmate. Find him, find her, might be hiding. Somewhere. Okay, yes, true, totoo, okay, right. Soulmate, now alam mo na. I'd say na go. And say yes. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay. Speak up, dear.